Ever heard the phrase, hit the nail on the head? Let's break down what it really means. When you hit the nail on the head, it means you've made a perfect point, or you've said something completely accurate. It is often used when someone correctly identifies a problem or makes an insightful comment. Here's how it sounds in conversation.
I think we're both feeling stressed because of our workloads.
You hit the nail on the head. Our biggest issue is lack of communication.
Exactly. You really hit the nail on the head.